Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Kat's Kitchen. Thank you so much for coming back and joining us here for another episode. Today is going to be another fast weeknight meal for you. We're going to utilize the crock pot. We're going to be making some barbecue beef ribs. They're spare ribs. You can do this with any type of animal pretty much in the crock pot. I know some of you have been wanting some more crock pot meals, different varieties instead of just roasts or soups or whatnot, but soups are always good too. So I'm trying to put those together for you guys. They're going to be in the weeknight meal playlist. So you'll be able to find more playlists there for you for some fast meals during the week. So what we've got here is I have some spare ribs here, and I'm just going to, they're maybe like 50% thawed out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the top off of here. We're going to rinse these off, pop it in our crock pot, and then I'm going to season it with garlic and onion powder, salt and pepper, parsley, and then I'm just going to put whatever barbecue sauce I have on hand. If you want to make your own, go ahead and do that. I happen to have a honey barbecue on hand. So that's what I'm going to do, and I hope you guys enjoy, and then we're going to make a few side dishes later on for it. Okay, so if you guys didn't see that, I put our ribs on low for 10 hours. You can also do 8 hours, but the longer they go, the more tender they're going to be. And then I'm going to check it throughout the day because I am going to be home with it. If you're not going to be home with it, I would suggest putting it on for a lower time. Mine will switch over to warm whenever it's done. If you don't have one like that, then like I said, I would just preference doing low for 8 hours then if you're going to be away from the home. But since I'm going to be here, I'm going to just check it. I'm going to turn them every so often, probably like every 3 hours or so. And I'll probably add more barbecue sauce. And that's really all it needs. It doesn't need any extra water or anything like that. But make sure that you put enough barbecue sauce in there to give it some moisture. Because like I said, since this meat's going to release some water as well, since it was in the freezer. And even if you have fresh, it's still going to release a little bit of water. You can also do this with chicken. I like to do this with barbecue chicken like this too. Like I said, it's just something nice whenever you don't have time to use the grill or anything else. So I'll see you guys back here whenever our beef is cooking along and whenever we're starting to make our side dishes. All right, everybody, so we are back here. It is a good, honestly, I shut the crock pot off around the 8 to 9 hour mark because the bones were falling apart. I was able to pull the bones. This is one of them, like right out of the meat. So that was really, really easy. So what I'm doing now, and this shrunk down quite a bit. So you can see, I mean, you'll see at the end how much meat we end up with. So we have a lot of fat in here, we tend to. So what I'm gonna do is pick through here and separate the meat from the fat, and then add a little bit more barbecue sauce to the remainder of the meat, and then it's ready to go. And serve it hot. You can have it on sandwiches. You can just eat it as is, whatever you like. I'm also making on the side, I have some cilantro and parsley rice cooking, and I have some asparagus with some garlic, butter, salt, and pepper. And yeah, so we're gonna have a nice meal tonight, and it really didn't take that much. These two side dishes really didn't take too much at all. The most might be to clean up, but I'm very blessed to have a dishwasher, so that will help out with the cleanup. So I'm just keeping an eye on my rice because I hear it's starting to boil it. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like at the end. But yeah, it's pretty simple, and I hope you guys try this recipe. Thanks for watching. Alrighty guys, so this is the end product. Like I said, you could have the barbecue beef on a sandwich, and my asparagus and our cilantro and parsley rice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.